I'll keep going because there's more. So there's the Tithonia, Mexican sunflower, which is a really good mulch. It's also a herbal pesticide. It also helps bioaccumulate phosphorus and nitrogen and carbon. So it's really good to integrate into vegetable growing systems. Here's the beetle pepper again. I think this might be the mother vine. We've got cassava in the hedgerow. Now, cassava, you may know it as a root vegetable, but in Indonesia, it's very, very important as a leaf vegetable. So you break off this tip here, while these leaves are still tender. Snap that off, boil it, throw away the water, and eat it. And it's very nutritious. It's about 8% protein, dry weight. Got lots of provitamin A and vitamin C and lots of stuff in there. So the root of the cassava is not nutritious at all. It's just pure starch. So the plant puts all its nutrition into the top. And when we break off the top here, it'll cause branching. And so will just keep shooting. We have Mucuna pruriens, utilis. I made sure I found the seed, the non-itchy seed. So that's a legume. So he can cut it and use it as mulch, or he can feed to the goats, or he can make fertilizer out of it, or betel nut. Here's the grass, some of the grass we're growing for the goats. This is Guatemala grass, or rumput king grass. See, it's like a very broad leaf. It's easy to handle, doesn't have the itchiness of some of the napier grass. And you cut it and it reshoots very vigorously. Big wide leaves, reasonable amount of protein. You can use it as a sole feed, but if you mix it with other things like the legumes, the amino acids balance out. Here we've even got some kayu basi, ironwood, which is an over-extracted timber around here. Now, where we found it recently in the Tambra project is when we put these in as stakes, they also grow. So that's what happened here. Here we go. Something I missed earlier. So he's put it in as a stake. He's gone into the jungle, cut some saplings, stuck them in, and this one's grown. Here's that Inca nut I was telling you about before. See, there's the nut, or cluster. There's the fruit with 4 nuts in it. There we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll take that, plant it, grow some more. Yeah, so we've got this Caliandra tetragona growing in here. That's come from seed. Got some more bamboo. And yeah, this garden encompasses the whole of the project site. Sorry, this fence encompasses the whole of the project site and protects it from incursion by large grubbing wild animals like pigs. Yep. More wild stuff. I don't know what this is, but it's an Apocynaceae family, just coming here by itself. So the diversity tends to increase over time, just naturally by seeding. Birds will come here and drop seeds when they perch on the edge of the fence, and that's particularly true if you live in an area that's far away from the forest edge. Here goes this Commersonia bartramia. This is a rainforest pioneer, and this has seeded itself in. And you can see it's been cut and it's resprouted, and I guess soon he'll cut it again, and all this biomass will go into the gardens. A lot of carbon and nutrition in that, and this dragon fruit will then get the light that it needs.